If you've been working on a creative video project in CapCut on your PC and you're ready to share it with collaborators, clients, or friends, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you step by step through how to share your CapCut project using a simple link, so anyone you choose can open, view, or even edit your work. No more messy file transfers or complicated exports. By the end of this video, you'll confidently know how to give access to your CapCut project in just a few clicks. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up CapCut on your PC. If you're already working in CapCut, feel free to stay where you are. The goal is to get to your project dashboard, where all your recent projects are listed. Think of this area as your creative hub. Everything you've worked on recently should be easy to find here. Next, look for the project you want to share. Under Recent Projects, you'll see thumbnails or a list of all your work. Take a moment to find the right one. Maybe it's a client video, a school assignment, or a fun montage you made for friends. Once you've located it, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots, usually found at the corner of the project thumbnail. That little menu is your gateway to all sorts of handy features. Go ahead and click the 3 dots. Not only does this give you extra options, but it keeps your workspace clean and uncluttered, only showing deeper controls when you need them. Inside the 3-dot menu, you'll spot an option labeled Share. Click on this. Now, you're not actually sharing the finished video file just yet. What you're doing is setting up a system where you can share the actual editing project itself, meaning anyone with the link can access the timeline, the edits, and the assets depending on their permissions. This is super useful for collaborating remotely or letting someone give feedback on your work. When the Share panel appears, look for a setting down below that lets you choose who can open the project link. By default, CapCut might set this to something more private. For example, only you or specific people within your account can see it. But if you want to make this project accessible to anyone you send the link to, click the drop-down menu and select anyone with the link. This is a crucial step. Think of it like handing out copies of a key, so only the people you trust with the link can get inside. Once you've made that selection, just click Copy right beside the link. CapCut will instantly copy the secure sharing URL to your clipboard, so you're ready to paste it wherever you need. Maybe you're sending it by email to a coworker, dropping it in a chat, or adding it to a group message so everyone can see your progress. Don't worry if this part takes a few moments, especially if you're multitasking. CapCut makes it easy to grab and share the link at any time. Now, you're all set. Anyone with the link can access your CapCut project, including all the edits, just like you told CapCut to allow. This is a huge time saver compared to exporting giant video files or juggling cloud drives. If you ever need to adjust who has access, just revisit these steps and update your sharing settings. And that's it. It really is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's another CapCut workflow you want to see. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy editing and sharing.